Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the next part from our previous topic, which was transpose tune up or down. So today we are going to do the final part of it, which talks about melody down or up by an octave. Okay, so octave, we understand if we are going up from B, then one octave will be B only. If you're going from C major, then one octave will be C major only. So this is the easier one. We'll just quickly start away, so we don't need to find the intervals and everything. It's from B to B, A to A, and C to C, G sharp to G sharp, B flat to B flat. It's simple way. Okay, only you have to take care of the notes also. So let's start simply from the first one. This is our bass clef, so we make the bass clef first, then we put the key signature. Okay, so key signature would be same. Yeah, so because we're doing one octave higher, so it will be the same octave. So let's put it. This is here. Okay, let's put the time signature. It's 4/4. Now let's make the tune. We transpose this, so we have to do one octave lower. So that means we are here in the bass clef. We are at E right now. So this is our E note. So we have to transpose it to E down. So that means will be the first line is G, and here is the first ledger line, that would be E. Okay, before that we'll put this rest here. So now let's make another one. So two more down. Next. So I'm just making the notes right now. I'll put the stems later on. And we go here. So this one is slightly easier than your other intervals. Okay. Then the rest here. Let's finish it here only. We don't need the other space for this, so I'll put the stems now. So this is here. Then we go there. Let's put the stem first, then we'll put the accidentals. So accidentals will also be the same only. Okay, so here it will be the sharp, here it will be sharp again, then natural, then again natural here, and the sharp. Okay, let's move to the next one. So next one, again we can see there are three flats. So three flats, we know either it's E flat major or C minor. And this is our tenor clef. And tenor clef, you can see this is middle line, this is C. Okay, so according to this, you can see which note is this. So this is our C, B, A, and G note. Okay, and we can see it here. So now let's transport. So we know if this is E flat or C, either it's a E flat major or C minor. It is simple that we have to go to the same one octave back. Okay, we transpose it to one octave only. So we'll go back same way. Tenor clef, same key signature, because we're shifting one octave higher, so it will be the same. 3/4. Now here we have to see one octave higher if you're going, because we have to go up. So this is our C, B, A, and G note. This is G note. So if we go higher, so we'll reach here to, this is C, D, E, F, and G. The first ledger line is our G note. Okay, and let's go down. Let's make the next one, and the next. So on we make it bar line. Let's put the stem now. Okay, so here we finish about this topic. Now I'll see you in the next topic, in the next video. If you have any question, any doubts, please let me in the comment section, and please share and subscribe as much as you can. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you.